Tonight, while you sleep, your dryer might burn your house down. 15,970 American homes catch fire from a single hidden source every single year. 13 people die in those flames. 440 are injured. $238 million in property damage. The cause is buried inside a pipe behind your laundry machine. A pipe that 99% of homeowners have never touched in their entire lives. Not a faulty wire, not a broken switch, not a defective motor, a compacted ball of cotton and polyester the size of a basketball, packed deep inside your wall. Your lint trap catches 60% of the fibers. The other 40% travels straight into the duct. Year after year, cycle after cycle, building, compressing, waiting in the dark, waiting for one stray spark from a tired electric motor. The National Fire Protection Association documents it every winter without fail. January is the peak month for ignition. April runs a close second. Right now, this very week, your home sits closer to ignition than at any other time of the calendar year. The appliance industry knows, the insurance companies know. They priced this risk into your premium decades ago and never told you why. Nobody warned you because nobody profits from a homeowner with a vacuum and a drill brush. This is the story of the $10 fix that the laundry industry buried in plain sight, and the basketball of fuel hiding 3 feet behind your dryer door right now. Welcome to Forbidden Camping. I'm Daniel Voss. If this kind of buried truth matters to you, hit subscribe and ring the bell on this channel. Here we open the vaults the home repair industry locked shut and threw away the key. The story begins in 1946 on a Hamilton Beach factory floor in Wisconsin. Engineers building the first home electric dryers face one fatal problem. Cotton fibers shed from heated fabric ignite at roughly 410 degrees Fahrenheit. The internal lint trap solves only part of the problem inside the dryer drum. Roughly 40% of every shed fiber slips past the metal screen. The factory engineers know this. They patent a venting duct as a workaround solution. Push the rest of the loose fibers outside the home through a thin metal exhaust pipe. But the pipe was never designed to be cleaned by the homeowner standing in the laundry room. It was designed to look invisible behind the appliance, hidden, quietly forgotten. By the 1960s, 50 million American kitchens had an electric dryer humming away. By the 1980s, a quiet pattern emerged inside city fire department reports across the country. Laundry rooms igniting at 3 a.m. while families slept upstairs in their bedrooms. Entire wood frame houses going up in 12 minutes flat from the first ember inside the duct. The Chicago Fire Department documented over 400 dryer-related house fires in 1987 alone. Boston, Houston, and Phoenix reported similar spikes during the same decade in their winter months. Fire investigators traced 92% of these blazes to one specific source, hiding in plain sight. Compacted lint sitting deep inside the exhaust duct between the wall studs of the laundry room. The Consumer Product Safety Commission published official warnings starting in the 1990s. Most American homeowners never read those warnings. They stayed buried in dry, technical journals nobody ever opened. The appliance industry kept selling new dryer units, never mentioning the duct in any television advertisement ever broadcast. Sears, General Electric, Whirlpool, Maytag. Not one of them ran a single national commercial about cleaning the vent. The instructions sat on page 47 of the manual in 8-point font near the legal disclaimers. Compliance achieved, liability shielded, consumer left in the dark. Now look at the recent data the National Fire Protection Association published in their Fire Research Bureau. Between 2010 and 2014, United States fire departments responded to 15,970 home structure fires per year involving dryers or washing machines. 92% of those incidents involved the clothes dryer specifically, not the washer. 13 civilian deaths annually, 440 civilian injuries documented every single year. $238 million in direct property damage scattered across the country. 28% of those documented fires traced directly to a clogged venting duct. 34% traced to a general failure to clean the dryer machine itself. Combined, that means roughly 6 out of every 10 dryer fires were 100% preventable with a vacuum and 40 minutes of time. Electric dryers are 2.5 times more likely to ignite a fire than gas units. The reason is simple physics. Electric heating elements run hotter for longer cycles per load. Lint inside the duct dries further with every single load you send through the machine. After 3 to 5 years of normal household use, the exhaust duct holds enough fuel to incinerate the entire laundry room in seconds. Cotton ignites at a measured 410 degrees Fahrenheit under laboratory conditions. Polyester fibers ignite even lower at around 400 degrees and burn faster with thicker smoke. Your dryer pushes hot air at 135 degrees through that duct on every single load. The temperature gap is closing every year as the duct narrows from accumulation. The math has only one possible outcome: time and accumulation against a fixed ignition threshold. Underwriters' laboratories tested obstructed dryer ducts in a controlled combustion chamber. Average time from spark to full ignition of compacted lint, under 11 seconds. Total, 11 seconds for a wall fire to travel from your laundry room into your living room insulation. By the time your smoke detector chirps, the fire has already entered the wall cavity. Now stop. Before I show you the basketball of lint I pulled from a real American home last week, listen carefully to this part. I assembled the entire forbidden camping vault for moments exactly like this one. Inside the vault sits the Hidden Vent Killer Guide that walks you through every duct configuration in modern American homes built after 1970. The 12 warning signs manual that tells you whether your dryer is already screaming for help right now this week. The insurance claim trap decoder that exposes the fine print your insurer prays you never open and read. The $5 tool arsenal that replaces every overpriced cleaning service operating in the country today. The 40-year appliance Bible that adds decades of safe operation to every machine in your home laundry room. The Silent House Fire Prevention Atlas covering dryers, water heaters, microwaves, and electrical panels. Over 20 buried guides packed into one single vault download. The link sits at the top of the video description. Tap that link right now while the warning is still fresh in your mind. Then come right back here. Because the next part of this video is the part the laundry industry prayed you would never see with your own eyes. If you're still watching this video, you already know more than 99% of American homeowners on this subject. You are about to know more than 99% of insurance adjusters working today. And that exact knowledge is why the appliance industry kept this buried for 60 years. The Forbidden Camping Vault link is still pinned in the description below this video. Do not close this tab without securing those guides for your family. Now back to the buried truth. Here is what the laundry industry never advertises on television commercials between football games. The major dryer manufacturers know the duct fails. They have known since the 1970s internally in their engineering departments. Their solution was not to redesign the venting system. It was to insert a single warning sentence on page 47 of every owner manual. Most owners throw that manual into a drawer the day the appliance arrives in the house. Industry compliance achieved on paper. The professional dryer vent cleaning industry now generates $2 billion in annual revenue across the United States. That entire industry exists because the appliance manufacturers refused to design ducts homeowners could clean themselves with basic hand tools. A standard professional cleaning visit costs between $150 and $300 per appointment. Recommended frequency is once per calendar year. Some companies aggressively push twice annually for double the bill. That is $600 per year for a job that takes 30 minutes with a $10 drill brush from any hardware store. Multiply that across 90 million American households with dryers, and the math becomes obscene. $5.4 billion per year extracted from American families for a job they could do themselves on a Saturday. But here is the part of this story that should make every American homeowner furious tonight. Read the dryer maintenance clause buried inside your homeowner insurance policy paperwork. Many major insurance carriers now require documented annual vent cleaning to honor a fire damage claim. If your house burns down and the fire investigation reveals an uncleaned duct, the entire claim can be denied legally. Average payout on a successful dryer fire claim runs between $25,000 and $300,000. Average payout on a denied claim is exactly $0 in total financial ruin for the entire family. The insurance industry knows the failure rate down to the decimal point. They priced it into your premium 20 years ago in the actuarial tables. You pay for the risk every single month. They keep the legal right to refuse the payout when the moment finally arrives. The appliance industry, the insurance industry, and the cleaning industry all profit directly from your silence and your ignorance. None of them profit from a homeowner who owns a vacuum, a drill, and the truth. The cycle is engineered. The contracts are written, the premiums are collected, the claims are denied. And the homes keep burning at $15,970 per year, right on schedule. Here is exactly what to do this coming weekend in your laundry room. No experience required. But first, check these warning signs that your duct is already past the danger threshold. Your laundry takes 2 full cycles to dry 1 load. The pipe is choked. Your laundry room gets hot and humid when the dryer runs. The duct is leaking moisture into the wall. Your clothes come out of the drum burning hot to the touch. The exhaust is trapped inside the system. You smell a faint burning odor sometimes after a load. The lint is already smoldering somewhere in the line. The exterior vent flap on your outside wall does not open fully when the dryer runs. The pipe is blocked. Lint is visible on the ground beneath the exterior exhaust. The duct is overflowing. If you have any of these signs right now, do this work this weekend, not next month. This weekend. Step 1. Unplug the dryer cord from the wall outlet completely. If your unit runs on natural gas, shut the gas valve fully closed. Step 2. Pull the dryer machine away from the wall slowly. Most units roll on adjustable feet with little resistance from the floor. Step 3. Loosen the metal clamp connecting the flexible duct hose to the back of the dryer cabinet. Step 4. Look directly inside the duct opening. You will find a compressed mat of gray cotton fiber. Pull it out by hand wearing a glove. Step 5. Buy a drill brush kit at any hardware store for $10 to $20. Connect the long brush to a standard cordless drill. Step 6. Push the spinning brush deep into the wall duct. Lint will fly out of the opening in dense gray clouds. Vacuum the laundry room floor as you go. Step 7. Walk outside to the exterior wall of your house. Find the exhaust vent flap. It looks like a small square or round hood near the foundation. Step 8. Remove the cover plate. Reach inside with a gloved hand. You will pull out a compressed ball of lint the size of a softball or larger from the wall. Step 9. Place a small pinch of that extracted lint on bare concrete, far from any combustible material in the yard. Hold a lighter flame near the edge. Step 10. Watch it ignite in under 1 full second. That exact fuel was inside your wall this morning while your family was sleeping. Step 11. Reattach every connection carefully. Run 1 test load of laundry. Your clothes will dry in 1 cycle instead of 2. Total cost, $10 in 1 Saturday afternoon. Total time, 40 minutes. Now I owe you 1 piece of complete honesty before this video ends. This method works for the standard duct configuration found in roughly 80% of American single-family homes built after 1970. If your dryer vents through the roof, through a long attic crawl space, or through more than 15 feet of pipe, you may need a longer brush extension. And if you smell active burning right now in your laundry room, do not run the dryer. Call a licensed professional immediately tonight. The goal of this video is prevention, not heroics. Know the limits of the work. This knowledge did not die in some forgotten archive. The laundry industry actively buried it for 60 years. Every American who watches this video and shares it pulls 1 more home out of the fire statistics. 15,970 houses per year does not have to include your address. The Forbidden Camping Vault holds the rest of the safety maps. Water heaters, microwaves, electrical panels, and attic insulation. The Hidden Vent Killer Guide. The 12 Warning Signs Manual. The Insurance Claim Trap Decoder. The $5 Tool Arsenal. Every silent fire risk hiding in your home exposed in 1 place for 1 single price. Tap the vault link in the description right now. Send this video to your parents tonight before they go to bed. Send it to your siblings. Send it to every friend with children sleeping under a roof tonight. Because tomorrow morning, when you read about another American family losing everything in a house fire, you will know it could have been prevented for $10. The next vault opens soon, and what is inside is heavier than this one. This is Daniel Voss for Forbidden Camping. Stay sharp, stay alive, stay free of the system.